I think the way that the curriculum has been structured is very engaging for the pupils.
Calculate is maths and ICT combined.
Communicate is all the languages, which is English, Welsh, Spanish, sometimes French.
And then I think is geography, history, humanities, religious education.
Thrive is the PE physical exercise side of things, but it's not only physical exercise. We do learning about how much water we need, healthy diet.
Create is art, music and drama combined.
I think there's a lot for Discover because we have science, graphic designs and textiles, and we also have D&T and cooking.
On pretty much every topic in each subject, we will reflect on the 4 purposes.
The 4 purposes are created by Professor Donald.
Yeah.
So one of them is becoming a healthy, confident individual. One of them's ethical, informed citizen, ambitious, capable learner, and enterprising, creative contributor.
Like in lessons, sometimes at the end we get asked, which of these 4 purposes are you?
Art, for example, if you did a piece of artwork, you may say, oh, I think I was a creative citizen because I was using all my creativity and that.
Then you can just write it in your book and explain why you think you've done that, and then your teacher can reflect.
They're all to develop you as a person for later life, so it's really making you really confident and individually capable. All the subjects are actually linked. I Discover Science is linked with I Discover DT because it's the same subject, but I Discover DT is then linked with I Create Art. That's linked to all the other subjects in I Create, so it's all linked together.
So for example, we're doing enzymes and food science at the moment, and then it links in with food miles and things we're doing in I Think. So it really helps bridge the gaps between certain things in the curriculum.
Instead of being like, oh, I've got geography or I've got history, like you don't really realise that you're doing it all in one.
So it's individual lessons, well spaced apart, so that we can take certain information, apply it to situations, and then learn new information.
By connecting the subjects together, we get taught in a very detailed way, and we get more insight onto what we're being taught about, and then we can convert that to being having an impact in our later life.
When you go into what your parents say, the real world, there's lots of group work and lots of things linked together, which makes sense. Therefore, if in school you link them together to help contribute to your later life.
Every different subject, you get to learn different life skills. For example, in D&T, we're currently doing cooking. It's just learning different skills. Like today we were learning knife skills, I think how to chop different vegetables. They're trying to teach you about how to keep a good balanced diet. They're saying bring at least 2 vegetables for your filling, bring at least a protein.
And we're also learning things not just about ourselves, but for other people. For example, in I Think, we're learning about fair trade and how the farmers' lives are going as well. So we're understanding how it's in different areas of the world.
The curriculum has the I Think, I Thrive and stuff like that, so you're being independent.
So now you're challenging yourself further as you go along, so which it's better for you as you're getting ready for your next few years.
You're being ambitious in practically every class because you know that when you're learning something new, that's a challenge in itself.